All right, welcome back, guys. All right, Reggae Boyz thing sell off. All right, you know what I mean by that? All right, I'm gonna explain. Apparently, the match in Texas, all the tickets are sold out. So the Reggae Boyz will face the United States in front of a sold out arena, sold out stadium, sold out crowd, no capacity, no left, no space, no dide. You understand? Not even standing room. All right. So if Reggae Boyz can draw a crowd like that in the United States for a World Cup qualifier, why JFF now the money? But anyway, let's move on. All right. Reggae Boyz to play before a sold out crowd when World Cup qualifiers resume, says the Staybrook News, and this is out of Guyana. All right. Anyway, Jamaica Reggae Boyz will play in the United States in front of a sold out crowd in the next round of the FIFA World Cup qualifier, when the next round of the FIFA World Cup qualifiers kick off. All right, CONCACAF and FIFA have confirmed the schedule for the region's World Cup qualifying matches taking place during the FIFA match windows. All right, the US media reports indicate Texas tickets are sold out for the Jamaica USA encounter. All right, and it is taking place in Austin. All right, so if you can get over to Austin to support the Reggae Boyz, or if you support the US men's team, you know what I mean, go out there and make your voice be heard and cheer on your team. You know what I mean? After all, it's a World Cup qualifier. You don't get the World Cup experience that often. You know what I mean? It's only every 4 years. All right, so 8 national teams are playing each other, home and away in the octagonal, which kicked off last month and resumed play on Thursday during the FIFA match window of October. All right, 3 days after facing off with the US, Jamaica will play at home against Canada before playing Honduras in San Pedro Sula on October 13. So all right, Jamaica heads into the octagonal bottom of the 8-team table on 1 point. The US is third with 5 points. Mexico leads the standings on 7. Jamaica, we only have ourselves to blame. One really poor performance, and we didn't capitalize on probably coming out of the Azteca with a point. You know what I mean? Giving away that game in the last minutes, and having to settle for the 2-1 defeat. All right. So the last 3 rounds of the region's World Cup qualifying will take place during the FIFA match windows of November 2021 and January and March 2022. At the end of the qualifying, the top 3 teams will be guaranteed their participation in the FIFA World Cup in Qatar in 2022, and the 4th place will advance to a FIFA Intercontinental Playoff scheduled to be played in June 2022. All right, so 4 places up for grabs. At present, of the 8 teams, we are sitting at the bottom of the table, but it's still not mission impossible. It's a hard mission, but it's not mission impossible. All right. Teams have qualified from worse positions. So yeah, a bit of good news there, guys. The thing sell off. You know what I mean? Let me know what you think in the comment section. All right. See you next time.